So my refrigerator just kicked off all of a sudden, and I had to defrost this thing. Apparently there was a lot of water leaking out the bottom of it, even after I defrosted it the time before, because that drain was, it was frozen. And it just stopped working. So, here I got a turkey in the sink. I took out the ice and everything. I went and got me a cooler for some stuff. I've got food in a little bag right here, and I'm gonna just sit here and I'm gonna wait and see if it'll dry out. And then I had already tried to plug it in again. It's kicked on for about a minute or two, and then it kicked back off. So I'm going to just leave the door open here, let it dry out, for a couple hours, and then I'm gonna plug it in and see if it works. Fingers are crossed. This refrigerator is terrible. I'm willing you to work. Come on, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna go plug this thing back in, and I'm saying a little prayer right now that this will work. So it came on. It's making some noise. Please keep working. No. Ugh. I'm devastated. Okay, you guys, so the refrigerator repair people just came out to my house and they checked everything, and everything is working really well. They did some diagnostics and stuff on it. And when they first looked at it, because it was clicking on, he said that it was in demo mode for some reason. So he reset all that stuff. He sent me the instructions to reset it again if this happens again. I'll share that right here in case this happens to you. This is something you can check before you have to pay $100 for a service company to come out and tell you your refrigerator's in demo mode. Okay, so you're going to unplug your refrigerator, and within the first 2 minutes after you plug it back in, you need to hit and hold the light button. Wait for a little bit, see if you hear it kick on. If you don't, go ahead and unplug it again, and within those first 2 minutes, you're going to click and hold the fridge temperature and the freezer temperature at the same time for 5 seconds, and then you're going to press and hold that light button again, and that should kick it back into normal mode. Here are the instructions written down in case you want to save it somewhere. Also, down there in the refrigerator where your drain hole is, I'm going to show you guys something. There is a little metal piece that's supposed to go down into that hole, so that when the condensation, runs along that, it's supposed to be directed to that little piece and then down into the hole. And so my little piece was kind of off to the side. So when that ice buildup was happening, it started not going down that drain, and it was staying right there on the surface. So we kind of shifted it over a little bit to help fix that problem. Okay, so y'all see that little metal piece right there? It's kind of twisted to the side, but that is actually supposed to be down into the hole. So they told me this might be a COVID refrigerator, and it just wasn't put together correctly. But we finagled it down in there so that at least it's a little bit further down into the hole. It wasn't even in the hole at all before. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.